How to delete your Instagram account. So if you want to delete your Instagram account, then first you need to open up your Instagram application and make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon. Tap on Account Center and scroll down and go with Personal Details. Under Personal Details, you need to go with Account Ownership and Control and then go with Deactivation or Deletion. And now tap on Instagram and then tap on Delete instead of Deactivate and tap on Continue, which is on the bottom. And now you need to select a reason why you would like to delete your Instagram account. So for example, I'll be choosing a reason and then tap on Continue, which is on the bottom again. And now you can again tap on Continue. And this is the last step. You need to re-enter your password to continue. So enter your password, and once you enter your password, you can tap on Continue and your account will be deleted. So make sure to not log into your account within 30 days because if you've logged in, then your account will be reactivated. So don't log into your account for 30 days and your account will be automatically deleted. So that's how you can delete your Instagram account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.